In this video I will guide you on how to resize a PNG in Photoshop. I have a PNG of a magnifying glass and I would like to make it bigger or smaller. For this let's open another project because this is very small. So what I'm gonna do, I'll press on File, New, and let's choose 1920 on 1080 resolution because it's pretty big. And now let's go back on the original project. Select the layer, the PNG, Ctrl and C to copy, and now let's go back to the bigger project and press Ctrl and V to paste it. And now in order to readjust the size of a PNG in Photoshop, you can simply drag and drop it from the margins to make it smaller or bigger, and from the older versions of Photoshop you'll have first to press Ctrl and T as in tone, and after that you'll be able to drag and drop it from the margins, and once you're done, press on Enter and the PNG will stay there. By any chance, if you'd like to export this PNG with this size, right click at the layers on the PNG and then quick export as PNG, give it the name, the location, and press on save. Something which I forgot to mention when I filmed the tutorial is that you can even resize the PNG in Photoshop so it will not grow equally on the height and the width. As an example, if you press Ctrl and T to readjust the size, and now if you hold the Ctrl on your keyboard and drag it from the margins, you can readjust the size so the PNG will not grow equally on the height and the width. So all you have to do, hold the Ctrl on your keyboard and now readjust the point from the PNG, and once you're done, press Enter. So this is how to resize a PNG in Photoshop. I hope this guide answered all your questions, and thank you a lot for watching.